Ladies and gentlemen, if you are over 60 and find yourself waking up every morning with stiff knees, aching hips, or a back that feels like it has rusted overnight, I want you to stop for a moment and truly listen. What you are feeling is not just old age. It is not simply life's way of saying your best days are behind you. No, what you are experiencing is your body crying out for something it desperately needs. And that something is collagen, the glue, the scaffolding, the invisible thread that holds your joints, cartilage, and even your skin together. Collagen is not just another buzzword. It is the very protein that gives your body flexibility, strength, and resilience. But here lies the problem. After the age of 60, your natural collagen supply drops like water escaping from a cracked jar. By the time most seniors start to feel joint pain, they have already lost nearly 30% of their body's collagen. And unless you actively fight back, that number only climbs higher, leaving you with creaking joints, brittle bones, sagging skin, and a body that feels like it is betraying you. Here's the shocking truth most doctors won't tell you. Your body can still rebuild collagen at any age. Yes, even at 60, 70, or 80 years old. But there's a catch. You must fuel your body with the right foods, the right building blocks to spark that healing process again. Sadly, this is where most seniors miss out. Why? Because the health industry profits every time you stay stiff, inflamed, and dependent on painkillers or injections. But I am here today to hand you back your power, to show you the 10 most powerful collagen-boosting foods that can soothe pain, rebuild strength, and restore mobility naturally. These are not pills, not expensive powders, not miracle cures. They are real foods, accessible to you, that can help you reclaim freedom in your movement and joy in your golden years. So let us begin this journey together, from number 10 all the way to number 1. And I promise you, by the end, you will never look at your plate the same way again. Number 10, chicken skin, the hidden collagen treasure. Most people peel it off and throw it away. But chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 and type 3 collagen, the exact kinds your joints and skin crave after 60. A 2019 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found chicken skin contains nearly 3 times more collagen than chicken breast. That golden, crispy layer you once avoided is, in fact, nature's patch kit for worn-out joints. When baked or simmered into broth, chicken skin releases bioavailable collagen, elastin, and glycine, compounds that directly repair cartilage and ligaments. In Japan, seniors who drank chicken skin broth twice a week reported 27% better knee flexibility after 3 months. So instead of discarding it, slow cook it with turmeric and rosemary, and let every spoonful of that broth work as healing medicine for your body. Number 9. Sardines, tiny fish, massive joint power. Do not be fooled by their size. Sardines, especially when eaten with skin and bones, are a full-spectrum collagen powerhouse. They provide type 1 collagen, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all in one bite. These 3 work together like a construction crew rebuilding a damaged wall. A 2018 study revealed that seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week had 35% higher collagen peptide levels after 10 weeks. And those peptides are exactly what your body uses to reconstruct cartilage. The omega-3s inside sardines also fight inflammation, easing pain naturally. The best part? Sardines are inexpensive, shelf-stable, and versatile. Spread them on toast, mix them with olive oil and lemon, or stir them into pasta. If the flavor feels strong, blend them into a tomato sauce. You'll barely notice the taste, but your joints will notice the healing. Number 8, bone broth, the ancient elixir of strength. For centuries, our ancestors boiled bones into soups, and for good reason. Bone broth is liquid collagen. When simmered slowly, bones release gelatin, type 2 collagen, and minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, which directly strengthen joints. Clinical studies show that seniors who consume bone broth regularly experience reductions in stiffness, better sleep, and improved gut health, which matters because collagen absorption starts in the gut. If you've been sipping plain tea at night, consider switching to a warm cup of bone broth. Add garlic, ginger, or parsley, and you've created not just a meal, but medicine. Number 7, egg whites, nature's pure collagen source. Many focus on the yolk, but egg whites contain proline, an amino acid critical for collagen synthesis. Without proline, your body cannot stitch collagen fibers together. Think of it as the thread that ties your joints back into strength. A simple breakfast of scrambled egg whites or an omelet can feed your body the exact ingredients needed to keep your knees from grinding and your back from stiffening. Pair them with spinach and tomatoes, and you've created a nutrient-rich, collagen-friendly meal to start your day strong. Number 6, beef. The joint builder's protein. Beef, particularly cuts with connective tissue like shank or brisket, contains abundant collagen. It's also rich in glycine and proline, the very amino acids your body uses to weave collagen fibers. Slow-cooked beef stews or braised dishes allow these compounds to release, making them easy for seniors to digest and absorb. One remarkable fact, glycine from beef does more than just repair cartilage, it also calms the nervous system, helping you sleep deeper and heal faster. Imagine eating a comforting beef stew and knowing every bite is mending your joints and nourishing your mind. Number 5, salmon, collagen booster with anti-inflammatory power. While salmon itself doesn't contain high collagen, it is packed with astaxanthin and omega-3s, compounds that protect existing collagen and prevent it from breaking down. Without this protection, collagen-rich foods can only go so far. Think of salmon as the bodyguard standing watch over your joints, skin, and cartilage. Grill it, bake it, or steam it with lemon, and you've created a dish that not only lowers inflammation, but also supports collagen repair. Seniors who eat salmon regularly report reduced joint pain, better brain clarity, and glowing skin, all signs of collagen preservation. Number 4, berries, the sweet collagen protectors. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries contain vitamin C and powerful antioxidants that fuel collagen production while blocking free radicals that destroy it. Collagen without vitamin C is like trying to build a house without nails. It simply won't hold. A bowl of mixed berries every day is more than dessert. It's a collagen shield. Studies show that seniors who eat berries regularly have greater skin elasticity and reduced inflammation markers. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, and you'll be giving your joints and skin a daily gift of protection. Number 3, citrus fruits, the collagen activators. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, which your body needs to activate collagen production. Vitamin C is like the spark that lights the fire of repair. Without it, collagen-rich foods go to waste. A simple glass of lemon water in the morning or an orange with your lunch can significantly boost your collagen absorption. Combine citrus with foods like chicken skin or sardines, and you've created a powerful duo that rebuilds your joints from the inside out. Number 2, leafy greens. The collagen factory spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in chlorophyll, which has been shown to increase collagen production in the skin and joints. Chlorophyll also detoxifies the body, clearing out harmful molecules that break collagen down. Eating leafy greens daily is like giving your body a factory for collagen production. Whether in salads, soups, or smoothies, greens ensure that your body has the raw power to stay youthful, strong, and flexible. Number 1, gelatin, the forgotten superfood. Here's the grand champion, gelatin. Made from cooked collagen, gelatin is already in the form your body can use instantly. It directly supports cartilage repair, reduces stiffness, and improves bone density. Seniors who consume gelatin daily have reported improved mobility within just weeks. And here's the surprising fact. Gelatin works best when eaten cold. A simple bowl of homemade gelatin dessert, sweetened with honey and topped with fruit, can be one of the most powerful healing meals you ever enjoy. Yet, 99% of seniors have never taken advantage of it. My dear friends, turning 60, 70, or even 80 is not a sentence to pain. It is not the end of strength or the death of vitality. The truth is, your body still has the power to heal, to rebuild, to thrive. But the key lies not in more pills or surgeries. It lies in your daily choices, in what you place on your plate. Every bite of chicken skin broth, every forkful of leafy greens, every spoon of gelatin is not just food. It is medicine. It is your body's way of saying, thank you for giving me what I need to stand tall again. So, the next time you feel stiff, remember this. Pain is not your destiny. Collagen is the bridge between suffering and strength. And the foods we have shared today are the planks that build that bridge. Step by step, meal by meal. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what's your age and which of these collagen foods are you excited to try first? We read every single comment, and your story may inspire another senior to take the first step toward healing. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and remember, your golden years are not about decline, they are about rediscovery. And with the right foods, you can move with freedom, live with vitality, and shine brighter than ever before. Now, dear friends, it's your turn. I want you to take the first step towards stronger joints and a healthier body. Tell us in the comments, what's your age and which of these collagen-rich foods will you try first? Your answer could inspire another senior who's searching for hope today. And if you found this message valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and click the bell icon so you never miss the health secrets we share every week. Together, we are building a community where seniors can live pain-free, move with freedom, and enjoy the golden years with strength and joy. Because here at the Seniors Hub, your health, your vitality, and your happiness matter.